Ang dagundong ng lumalapag na eroplano ang bumabasag sa payak na ritmo ng bayang ito tuwing umaga. For a few minutes, the town seems to hold its breath as the plane slices through the town, literally. Pero sanay na ang mga lokal sa ganitong ritmo ng kanilang bayan. What started out as a simple community by the river mouth is now a bustling town. It is now the center of governance, education, and business dito sa probinsya ng Northern Samar. Samahan ninyo ako as we discover and explore the capital of my 71st province sa aking #Got82PH project. Going off the grid welcomes you to the town of Catarman dito sa Northern Samar. Ang bayan ng Catarman ang sentro ng gobyerno, kalakalan, edukasyon at relihiyon sa probinsya ng Northern Samar. Ito ay unang tinawag na Kalatman at kabilang sa mga settlements na tinawag ng mga Espanyol na Ibabaw. Di tulad ng mga kilalang pasyalan sa Northern Samar, ang Catarman is a town that gives a more relaxed provincial vibe that grounds you and slows you down. Masasabi na ang Catarman ang isa sa mga gateways to Northern Samar because of the Catarman Airport. The airport serves as a crucial connection to key cities in the Philippines. The airport uniquely slices right in the middle of the town and is an attraction in itself. Bakit? Well, it serves as an airport in the morning and a pedestrian crossing most of the time, connecting the east and the west sides of the town. Nagsimula ang kwento ng bayang ito sa bunganga ng Catarman River. Tulad ng paliparan, hinahati ng ilog sa dalawa ang bayan ng Catarman. The riverside is being developed with an esplanade along the riverside. May maliit na park na ito sa gilid that gives you an amazing view of the river where the town started its story. At the heart of the town is the Our Lady of Annunciation Cathedral Church. It is the seat of the Diocese of Catarman that oversees the Catholic faith in the province. The Baroque-style church and its four-story belfry dominates the skyline of the town. Payak lang din ang disenyo sa loob ng simbahan, kung saan ang mga retablo nito ang pupuko ng pansin sa mga bumibisita dito. May maliit na lumang kampana na makikita sa courtyard ng simbahan. This bell is probably one of the old church bells found in Northern Samar. A sprawling park stands right in front of the church, the Sacred Heart Plaza. This plaza serves as an alternative venue for bigger celebrations ng simbahan. Adjacent to the Catarman Cathedral Complex is the Catarman Municipal Hall and its Freedom Park. The Municipal Hall serves as the center of governance of the town, while the Catarman Freedom Park serves as the venue for the town's socio-civic community activities. Sa kabilang dako naman ng bayan ay matatagpuan ang Northern Samar Provincial Capital. It serves as the provincial government center of the province. Sa harap nito ay makikita ang monumento ni Agustin Sumuroy, ang local hero ng probinsya. Dito tayo ngayon sa may Dalakit Boulevard. This is their beach spot dito na malapit sa mismong town proper ng Catarman. So it's a Sunday morning, so you get to see there's a lot of people by the beach today. Ang Dalakit Beach, ang beach spot na malapit sa town center ng Catarman. The long stretch of gray sand shores is a favorite quick beach escape ng mga lokal at ng mga bumibisita dito. On a clear day, you can catch a glimpse of the two prominent peaks of Bicol, Mayon and Bulusan. This spot is an easy beach escape because of its proximity to the town. And if you time your visit in the morning, you can even catch the view of planes landing and taking off from the Catarman Airport.
Malakas ang alon dito at malakas kumatak.
The town of Catarman may not have the beautiful rugged landscapes kung saan nakilala ang Northern Samar. but it stands unique with its provincial town vibe. It preps you up to the rugged adventure ahead and cools you down after indulging the northern summer experience. It is a great place to step in, breathe in the experience, and step out with great memories in your pockets.
Katarman is an unassuming town. Wala man ito ang mga dramatic rock formations kung saan nakilala ang probinsya ng Northern Samar. It actually offers a unique experience rooted on its laid-back provincial vibe that should encourage both local and international tourists to visit the town. Mula dito sa Katarman River, Katarman, Northern Samar, ako po si Mark Savendel at ito ang biyaheng Off the Grid.
You can read more about my Katarman adventures at mark7travels.com. I would also like to thank Holland Stern for keeping my stuff safe and dry during my travels around the Philippines.
It's caught in the crossfire.